Hi guys, it's Jinjin here. Welcome back sa ating channel. So ngayon, magsosolve na naman tayo ng another math problem for civil service exam. So let's start. Teacher A can check exam papers in 9 hours, Teacher B in 6 hours, Teacher C in 18 hours, and Teacher D in 12 hours. If they work together, how many hours will they need? Okay, so work problem siya guys na 4 na tao ang given. Okay, so madali lang to kasi formula based lang naman. So kahit ilang tao pa yung given guys, as long as mag-base tayo sa formula ng work problem, alam natin yung gagawin. Okay? So yung formula natin, that is rate ng A plus rate ng B since 4 sila. So ituloy-tuloy lang natin hanggang 4. Rate ng C plus rate ng D. And equal siya sa rate nila working together. Okay? So, i-plug in lang natin guys yung mga values, no? So, rate ni A or ni Teacher A, that is 9 hours. So, 1 over 9 plus rate ni Teacher B, that is 6 hours. So, 1 over 6 plus rate ni Teacher C, that is 18. So, 1 over 18. And then last, yung rate ni Teacher D, which is 12. So, 1 over 12. So, kopyahin lang natin si 1 over X. Okay, then solve for the value of X guys, no? Pero mahirap to kasi mahaba and hindi rin pare-pareho yung mga denominators nila. So, ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung LCD nila or yung least common denominators. Okay, so ang least common denominator ng 9, 6, 18, and 12 is 36. So, 36 divided by 9, that is 4 times 1, so 4 pa rin. Plus 36 divided by 6 times 1, that is 6, plus 36 divided by 18 times 1, that is 2, plus 36 divided by 12 times 1, that is 3, and last 36 divided by x times 1, so 36 over x pa rin. Okay, so ayusin lang natin to. 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3, that is 15. And then copy natin 36 over x. Okay, so para ma-isolate tong x, pwede lang naman natin siyang ipalit dito sa 15. So mangyayari, x is equal to 36 over 15. So nakuha na natin yung value ng x guys. Ang gagawin na lang natin is i-divide natin para whole number yung lumabas. Okay? So 36 divided by 15. So hindi pa siya whole number, no? So may point pa siya. So 36 divided by 15, that is 2. 2 times 15 is 30. So, 36 minus 30, that is 6. Maglalagay lang tayo ng decimal point para pwede tayong magdagdag ng 0. 60 divided by 15, that is 4. 4 times 15, that is 60. Okay, or that is 0 na. So, final answer natin guys, that is 2.4. Yan. So, letter B. So, ganun lang mag-solve guys ng work problem as long as alam nyo yung formula natin is kaya na nating isolve lahat ng mga work problem. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and kita-kits tayo sa next video ko.